Welcome to Play IQ Trivia. Most adults think they could breeze through a 5th grade test, but 90% of people actually fail this specific quiz. Are you one of them? What is the only continent with land in all 4 hemispheres? Africa. We interrupt this quiz to remind you to comment, like and subscribe. Good luck. How many seconds are in 1 hour? 3,600. What is the name of the longest bone in the human body? The femur, thigh bone. What is the name of the currency used in the United States? The US dollar. What is the name of the closest planet to Earth? Venus. What does the abbreviation ETC stand for? Etc. What is the name of the tallest animal on Earth? Giraffe. How many weeks are in a year? 52 weeks. What is the name of the layer of Earth's atmosphere that contains the ozone layer? The stratosphere. What is the name of the process by which the moon causes ocean tides? Gravitational pull, tidal force. What is the only number that cannot be divided by any other number without changing value? 1. What is the capital city of the United States? Washington, D.C. What is the name of the tube that carries food from your mouth to your stomach? The esophagus. How many degrees are in a full circle? If you're still watching, you're doing better than most. Good job. 360. What is the name of the organ responsible for pumping blood around the body? The heart. What is the only country that borders both the Atlantic and Indian Ocean? South Africa. How many sides does a decagon have? 10. What is the process by which the human body converts food into energy? Metabolism. What type of energy does the sun primarily produce and send to Earth? Radiant energy. What is the name of the part of the eye that controls how much light enters? The iris. This one is a bonus. English. What is the name of the scale used to measure the intensity of tornadoes? The Fujita. What is the term for the distance light travels in 1 year? A light year. What do you call the imaginary lines running horizontally around the Earth parallel to the equator? Latitudes, parallels. What part of the human body contains the most bacteria more than anywhere else? The gut, digestive tract. What is the name of the phenomenon where the same side of the moon always faces Earth? Tidal locking. How many sides does a pentagon have? Five. What is the name of the pigment that gives plant the green color? Chlorophyll. What is the name of the force that causes objects to float in water? Buoyancy, upthrust. What is the term for a triangle that has no equal sides and no equal length? Scalene triangle. What is the name of the part of the brain responsible for balance and coordination? The cerebellum. How many hours does it take Earth to complete one full rotation on its axis? 24 hours. What is the name of the process by which water moves through a plant from roots to leaves? Osmosis and transpiration. What does the term nocturnal mean when describing an animal? Active at night and asleep during the day. What is the name of the largest internal organ in the human body? The liver. What is the name of the gas that plants produce during photosynthesis? Oxygen. What is the name of the imaginary line that divides the Earth into eastern and western hemispheres? The prime meridian. What do you call a baby deer? A fawn. What is the name of the world's largest ocean? The Pacific Ocean. How many sides does a heptagon have? 7. What is the name of the smallest unit of life that can carry out all basic life functions? A cell. What is the name of the process by which chromosomes in cells are duplicated before cell division? DNA replication. What country is home to the world's largest salt flat salad du uni? Bolivia. What is the name of the bond that holds water molecules together? Hydrogen bonding. What is the term for a word that has the same spelling and pronunciation as another word but a completely different meaning? A homonym. What is the name of the part of the Earth that generates its magnetic field? The outer core, liquid iron. What is the name of the process by which an organism produces offspring identical to itself without a partner? Asexual reproduction. What is the term for the amount of space an object takes up? Volume. How many chromosomes does a sperm or egg cell contain? (23). What is the name of the scientist who proposed that Earth's continents were once joined together in one supercontinent? Alfred Wegener. And that's the end of this quiz. What questions caught you off guard?